Okay, I've had some questions on how I do my different colors when it comes to making a decal or iron-on sticker, however you want to put it. So I'm going to use this image because I told the lady that I'm making this tutorial for, I would help her with this image. So I am going to use this image. I already made it in SVG. I want it this big. Well, actually, it really doesn't matter. It would yell at you in the corner if it told you it was too big. But before I do this, I am going to add a shape right here. I will tell you why in a second. Okay, so I have that there. I'm going to duplicate this. Okay. And if I want to use just a contour button, I can go all the way down here. And all these pieces load. Okay, I could use a contour button if the shape was in full at the bottom right here, but it's not. So that's perfectly fine. I can still do this. So I want to ungroup. We'll start on this side. I want to ungroup these. And if I want to use the original colors, like the shape, this image right here, I can do that. So I'll just make this smaller so I can bring the image up next to it. So I can just go through here and click whatever I want red. So I could go back up to the top. I don't want that shape. I'm going to start on this one. Okay. And the beginning of the shape. And this one's going to be my reds. So I'm going to make this red just so I know what this is going to be. Go here and make all these red. You can click from the shape on here, or you can click the shape on here, whichever. But for the reasons of making this video and not take forever, I'm just going to click on the shapes from here. I will also make another video just with the contour button when you can use the contour button. And I will share that video with you guys as well. See, with that wrong shape, turn the color. Just change the color, back to the right shape. Move that a little bit back. Okay, is that everything? It looks like it. Okay. So now on this one, I can go up here and delete whatever I don't want. So I'm going to pause this recording real quick. I'll show you how to do it for a couple times and go back and let's see, delete. Whichever pieces are red on here, delete over here. So just make sure you ungroup it. Just select the pieces individually. Like that, like that, like that. Okay, so I have those black. If you want to overlap them when you print them and put this black over this black, you are more than welcome to do that. But I'm going to go through here and quickly delete what is black. Okay, so now I have all my red, all my black. So when I print it out, I will use these hexagons, overlap them to make sure my images match up perfectly. I will attach these blacks with this hexagon, and I'm going to go back because I missed a dot. There it goes. And now all of this. So when I print these, the hexagons will print with it. So when you layer it, you just have to line up your hexagons and everything will match up the way you had it on the computer. It's that easy. It's time consuming, but it's well worth it.